Let's get sizzling. Master the art of frying in English. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're turning up the heat and diving into the exciting world of cooking. Specifically, we're going to learn about the art of frying. Frying is one of the most popular cooking techniques around the world, and knowing the vocabulary associated with it will not only boost your English skills but also make you more confident in the kitchen. Let's start cooking. Frying is a method of cooking food by submerging it in hot oil or fat. It's a fast, efficient way to cook, and it also gives food a delicious crispy texture and rich flavor. The English language has two main types of frying: deep frying and pan frying. Deep frying involves completely immersing food in hot oil, while pan frying involves cooking food in a smaller amount of oil, often just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Let's learn some of the key words associated with frying. 1. Fry, the verb to cook food in hot oil or fat. 2. Deep fry, to cook by immersing food completely in hot oil. 3. Pan fry, to cook food in a smaller amount of oil in a frying pan. 4. Skillet, another term for a frying pan. 5. Oil, the liquid fat used in frying. Different types of oil include vegetable oil, olive oil, and canola oil. 6. Spatula, a tool used to flip or move food in a pan. 7. Batter, a mixture often used in deep frying, made of flour and liquid. Now, let's see how we can use these words in sentences. 1. I like to fry eggs for breakfast. 2. She will deep fry the chicken for dinner. 3. We can pan fry the fish with a little olive oil. 4. Heat the oil in the skillet over medium heat. 5. Use a spatula to flip the pancakes. 6. The chicken is coated in batter before it's deep fried. Thank you for joining us in this English language learning journey, exploring the art of frying. We hope that this has been a valuable lesson, helping you understand the vocabulary associated with frying and enabling you to use these words in sentences. Next time you're cooking or talking about food, don't forget to use your newly learned frying vocabulary. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning and happy cooking!